Come in, Flower.
Check out my new outfit.
Oh my goodness.
It's Halloween themed.
Oh my goodness, that's pretty cool.
Oh, also I found this random cat on the street and I put it in a pumpkin.
Pretty cute. This kitty is pretty cute. What does your mom think about it?
She's cool with it. It's eating candy.
Ah, aren't you excited for Halloween?
Yeah, Halloween.
It's October 30th. Tomorrow's Halloween.
I don't have scared. Halloween is every day.
Aren't you excited to go trick or treating? Or I'm just probably gonna be taking Anthony around, but
Yes, I'm excited.
yeah, I'm probably just gonna be taking Anthony around. I'm probably not gonna get anything.
Yeah, Sophia said that she was gonna wear a devil costume for Halloween.
I'm gonna be a trash can.
You're gonna be a trash can?
Yeah, that's what my mom said I can be. I looked up a trash can, and there's also this rainbow one. I think you have the same one because you showed me that one time.
Yeah, I can't wait to see that.
Okay, so, it's...
You, what are you doing?
I'm brushing my teeth for tomorrow.
Oh, I forgot, we have school. I'm going to wear this.
Okay, I'm not wearing my costume till... Oh, there's a security camera, but I'm not wearing my costume.
Marigold.
Huh?
I got trapped in your cabinet again.
Oh, gosh, Flower. What cabinet? Okay. You're free.
Freedom.
Okay, I think you should go home.
Okay.
I will see you tomorrow.
Yep, see you tomorrow. Oh, Marigold.
What? I was forced to wear this.
I know, but you look like a witch with a trash can.
Ah, there's a girl.
Get her. Stop.
Okay, well, Flower, ready to go trick-or-treating? Anthony, you ready? Yes, Marigold, I'm so ready.
Sophia, do you have your basket?
Yes.
Good. Let's go. Coming?
Yeah, I'm coming.
We gotta hit the first house. Which house should we go to first?
This one.
This one?
Okay, Anthony, you can go.
Go ahead, Sophia.
Trick-or-treat.
Trick or treat.
Here you go, little kitties. Thank
you.
Okay. Marigold, where are we gonna go next? Okay, what house are we gonna go to next? There's also some stores that are selling
This
candy.
house looks rich.
Oh,
You guys
why does this house look exactly like yours?
Bars. You guys make your king-size candy bars.
Come on over, kids. I'll get you some candy bars.
Nope.
He looks like a guy who would, like, poison them.
No, he looks like a guy that would kidnap them.
Yeah, and right in front of us. But if he is a guy who kidnapped, I'm not sure he would do it right in front of us. Marigold, why do you have to wear a trash can? I don't know. Mom made me wear this.
I think it looks like a pretty cool trash can. It's rainbow.
Yeah. But also, I have some news my mom wanted me to tell you. She is pregnant with a little girl.
Well, that's great, because my mom's pregnant with a little boy.
Oh my god, like we reversed. Because, first time your mom had a girl, and my mom had a boy. It's swapped.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe we can hit up some stores and get some candy.
Or one of these motels. Some people could be staying there.
Maybe,
Oh
but
no, it's closed. It's closed. Look.
how about we go up to the... Oh, it's
Let's
closed.
go up to the doors. Because some people are here. Some people are here. Hello?
I don't think anyone's home.
Let's try the next one. Hello? No one's home. I don't think anyone's here in this. I don't think anyone's here.
Maybe this one.
Okay, knock.
Doesn't sound like it.
Okay. Do you think we'll have any luck with these ones?
I'm hoping this one right here has someone inside at least. How about you knock this time? Please, someone inside here.
Oh no, Anthony went in. He's inside now.
Anthony, get out! Sophia, do not go in there.
Wait! You weren't supposed to go in there. Kids, get out.
Sophia.
Pick the lock. Flower.
No, wait, move out the way. Move out the way. I'm going to kick down this door.
Marigold, Sissy! Sissy! We literally told you, don't go inside.
Yes, just don't do it again.
We won't, we promise. Let's go up to the apartments.
Where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
I'm right here. I can't believe I'm going out in public with this on.
I know. Anyways,
Oh, no one lives in the apartments.
do you want to hit up the diner? Maybe they have some candy for the kids.
Let's hope it's not closed.